Guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Welcome back to this. How are you all doing? Oh God, can you guys see this angle? Oh, it is giving all it's supposed to give. To my subscribers, how are you all doing? To my new subscribers, thank you so much. So today is a beautiful evening, Friday evening. We came out, to receive fresh air. And the sun is red. I don't even understand. Oh, one baby. So we are at the back. My mom, my daughters. Oh, I have some daughters. I'm good enough. Yeah, I'm good enough. My two children, my two kids. We are outside. Yeah, see about. What many people are slippers? Yeah. As you can walk. Thank you. Okay, sleeping. I'm liking this angle. Wow. So we are at the playground. Red. The sun is red. The sun is red. Oh, I'm maybe you. Baby girl is enjoying that. See grandma. Grandma is. Can you name it? Okay, she's taking a walk. Exercise. Now you're nine, baby. I see Kaima. Let me show you guys Kaima. I see Naya. Naya. Yeah. So, grandma. Naya.
Many hours later.
Mina lahora. Ina lahora. That's evacuate here. I send the message. I'm home. Can you back one?
Is that doing how mommy nice? Yeah. About the singing.
That's in a group of Nigerians and grandparents in a group.
You want to
The man of the grandparents. Them no busy.
Give you back, man. You pack out.
Kita kan banyak dari bagi now.
Bega age.
Atau from your house on a grandparent kayak gano.
Keba ina no de.
I'm through everyone I evacuate in the mountain.
Isn't it? I'm going to never come now. I'm going to
Only if a cloud there.
You put it.
I put me on bump for them pony. If a cloud there.
Yay! Yeah, but I got it. You won't know if I get it.
And I'm kind of welcome.
Can I messing door? This one can go. Isn't it? Can this one can go? Oh, mommy, I got one.
I make it a
Yeah,
you make a hapugo. Make a hapugo. Don't stay, man. I mean, I'm the man who's this in fact, you can go.
No one basketball. Can
you never know about the one you don't phone? That's one. I thought it's just a big.
I don't go once. Hey,
I pack access to pack things, pillow, blankets. Eu tenho um blanket, blanket, just move take it and tea and a motor. Mba n'ime ebe a. Ebe a ka blanket dị.
Man kan iya ina ke ba kan iya moto je. Hey, shit.
Ya, tahu kan biasa.
To kamu. Ko ini kan yang kamu. Oh.
Kamu tu kira mana ya? Kiba apa deh? What?
Makan buat jika gua film mimpi mana deh.
Mas Chineke ya. Ibu do you born on ka?
Kamu ya.
I was editing my video and I found that I didn't even tell you guys or just you guys what happened, why the moon was red, why the cloud was orange. I'm sorry about the noise, the background noise of that video. I was busy making video, enjoying the weather, not knowing that something terrible was happening. So apparently there was fire outburst, yeah, that lasted for more than 1 week, if I'm not mistaken. And it was very, very close to my city. In fact, I can even perceive the smoky air. Yeah. But that night, I told my mom that they told us to evacuate. We got an emergency alert in my phone and in my husband's phone. So maybe it's not, thank God. I think people died or not. I can't even remember. But yeah, it was terrible. It was terrible. Fire that lasted for a couple weeks. And I heard that okay, no, not in the GP one, but yeah, it's thank God everything is okay. Everything has bounced back. Yeah, we didn't evacuate that night, obviously, because the alert says those people living close to that event that they should evacuate. Thank God we were not living close to that place, and I just want to prank my mom, to get her funny reaction. Yeah, but thank God everything is okay now. The cloud is okay. The air that we breathe is okay, because as of then or more, you can perceive the smoke. Like, yeah, but thank God for everything, Sha. Thank you guys so much. I really, really appreciate it's okay. I really appreciate. Thank you. God bless you. I'm feeling sleepy. My two girls are sleeping. My girls are sleeping. Yeah, so, and this is after 10 p.m. I need to go and sleep. So I was editing this video here and I found out I didn't even do outro. So this is me signing out. Thank you guys for tuning in and staying tuned up until now. And please, enjoy, be cool. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Like this video. Thumbs up is like, subscribe. Subscription is free. Just that red button. It's free. You don't need to pay. Just click that subscribe button. That red button is free of charge. And I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye. Mwah.